Hello, Dr. Steve Araba. I am a Mortero, student of UNF, in the course Introduction to Management. I present these answers to the third part of our final assessment. What are the current market trends in Canada that present opportunities to Nestlé for untapped or undeserved needs? Nestlé already has brands for maternal and infant nutrition, for growing kids, for adults and pets. I would like to put the spotlight on Canada's aging population, which potentially presents opportunity for Nestlé to build a product line extension targeting the seniors population in Canada. According to Government of Canada website, the medium growth scenario of most recent population projections show that the proportion of people 65 and older should exceed 20% between July 1, 2024 and July 1, 2025 and reach 25% in 2059 to 2060. Meanwhile, the proportion of children aged 0 to 14 should remain relatively stable at around 14% to 15% over the same period. In Canada, current data reveals that the number of older people is growing faster than the number of children. This information provides a good target market for Nestlé to produce a new brand of products for the seniors, such as bars or drinks with added vitamins and minerals, easy-to-chew foods, health-focused beverages, and milk with high calcium content for aging population. Which specific category of Nestlé products have you selected for the Canadian market, and why is it novel? I would propose to open a new category of Nestlé products for seniors nutrition, targeting the three basic segments that present market opportunities for food with added health benefits. According to an article entitled Market Opportunities for Food with Added Health Benefits for an Aging Canadian Population, Agriculture and Food Canada, there are three basic segments of aging population. First, seniors actively healthy who want to maintain youth and vitality. Second, seniors living independently and managing their health. Third, seniors in assisted living situations. The agri-food sector should capitalize on the market potential for innovative products that meet the needs of the aging population, because presently there have been limited products in the market that caters to the needs of this group of people. How can Nestlé apply the 5 C's of innovation management and develop an action plan for disrupting target market in the next 1 to 2 years? Expanding the product categories to the aging population is a way Nestlé can cast a wide net. This is an opportunity to take advantage of innovating their product line. New products that cater to the nutritional needs of the seniors is creating newness to their product line. Creating a culture open to newness is also very important to cultivating ideas. Nestlé, if they welcome new concepts, there could be a possibility that they would become a leading company that promotes seniors' health and nutrition. Communicating with the entire team and their Nestlé change makers, as they call their employees, culture to openness, newness, and changing with courage would be achievable for the company. Applying the 5 C's of innovation management will enable Nestlé to develop a comprehensive action plan to disrupt its target market in the next 1 to 2 years and stay ahead of the competition.